This is the marginal entry of the room.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Topic, we don't write just now. When we state the name, you write the topic, but you have to write this. Now, this is a little block in the middle, so you consider that the blackboard is there here. Otherwise, if it's nice if you have to use blackboard, then we can write the date, time, and period there. Subject and topic in the center, date at the left corner. This is how you written in your lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, what do you do on Sundays? Tell me, what do you do on Sunday?
Ma'am, we sleep.
Yes, Akansha, we sleep. Okay, even I sleep. Madhvi?
On the painting work.
Yeah, I used to do all the painting work.
What painting work?
Not like the painting
Imagine that you are in the class 7.
I just have to do my homework.
Now you are class 7, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say Abhima.
I watch a movie.
Yes, very good. You tell me, Mahima.
I used to go to church.
Okay. And after you come back from church?
I went watching TV and
Okay, watching TV.
I watch cartoons.
You watch cartoons. You?
I go to play.
You go to play. Very good. You relax on holidays.
Badminton.
Yes. All right. Now tell me one thing. What does your mother do if you do something naughty?
She scolds us.
Raise your hand. What kind of punishment does she give?
Ma'am, bruise.
Yes, tell me. What kind of punishment do you get?
Ma'am, she gives
If you're naughty, yes.
the remote of the TV.
Okay, she takes away the remote of it. That means you're not allowed to watch TV. Yes, Divya? She shouts at you.
She restricts me to go out and play.
Okay, she does not allow you to play. Yes, you tell me.
She doesn't give me a mobile to play with.
Okay, she doesn't give you a mobile. Now tell me one thing. Who are more naughty, boys or girls?
Girls. Girls. Ma'am, girls.
Boys.
Why do you think boys are more naughty?
They don't listen.
Girls are not naughty?
Ma'am, girls are more naughty than boys.
Boys are more naughty because they're wicked.
Okay. Alright. Today we are going to do the lesson Tom Sawyer whitewashes the fence. Alright?
What? Tom Sawyer की story. Yeah, ma'am is teaching so nicely, yaar. She's making video. यही हम लोग करना आ जाए कि बच्चों को.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
After when I ask introductory questions, then are you able to relate?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I did statement of A. Okay, na? Today we will read the lesson Tom Sawyer whitewashes the fence. Okay? And you will write the topic now. After stating the aim verbally, then you write the topic and you underline the topic on the blackboard. Got it? Okay. Generally, when you have your books with you, no, the reader, then you say open to page number so and so, but just pass it down. Pass karo.
You have? Take it. No, you take.
Otherwise, two of you share one book. Alright? Everybody's got one paper? Scratching? Actually, good. Okay. But then you won't be able to, either you're doing, if you are in the class, then you'll have to take it. Okay, now listen carefully. Tom whitewashes a fence.
Yes. कलर्स कर रही है कहाँ कलर्स अच्छा
Saturday morning was the best time of the week for Tom. There was no school and he was free to do as he liked. But on this Saturday morning, Aunt Polly had ordered him to whitewash the fence as a punishment. Tom was very sad, thinking of all the fun that he was missing. He took the brush and went calmly to work. Then came Ben Rogers, who always made fun of Tom. In his hand was a big apple. Tom went on whitewashing. Look into your work, Akanksha, Madhuri. Ben said, "Hi, you are punished, aren't you?" Tom got an idea. He did not answer. He put a brush of paint on the fence and inspected his work. Ben came nearer. "Hello, Tom," said Ben. "You have to work, eh?" "Well, it's fun for Tom Sawyer." "What? Do you mean to say you like it?" "Well, a boy doesn't get a chance to every day to whitewash a fence." Ben had never thought of this before. He began to get interested. "I say, Tom, let me whitewash a bit," said Ben. No, Aunt Polly wouldn't like it. It has to be done very nicely. If you started to whitewash and anything went wrong, "Oh, I'll be very careful. Let me try. I'll give you my apple if you let me whitewash." Tom gave the brush to Ben, feeling very happy in his heart. While Ben worked in the sun, Tom sat on a barrel in the shade close by, ate the apple, and planned to fool more boys. Boys came to make fun, but remained to whitewash. After Ben, Tom had promised the next chance to Billy Fisher for a kite, then to Johnny Miller for a dead rat and a string to swing it with. Thus the work went on and on. By the middle of the afternoon, Tom had 12 marbles, a piece of blue bottle glass, a key, 2 tiny frogs, and an old wooden frame. He had a nice time, and the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. Okay? Now, in this, I think the girls, while they were packing, they did something to where are those flashcards? They did something to the flashcards are not here. Other I'll tell you. Okay. I'm showing this, but the word is, so that you understand, actually the word is fence. Okay. So just think it is fence. Okay. Okay. Read this. Fence. You have to, here there are 2, collective and individual drill. So in the beginning, you have to raise your hands. Okay. Okay. So I'll say, read this. So you have to raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hands. All right. You get up. Read this.
Fence.
Very good. Yes, you tell me.
Fence.
Good. You tell me. Good. Now see, this is how we pronounce fence. And this side it is written. You all tell me how will I write it?
F-E-N-S.
What is?
Fence.
So हमारे फ्लैश कार्ड बने हुए थे, but like when I gave the demo last year, I think I don't know how they packed it up again, huh? So this is for friends. Got that? Okay. Then the next word is calmly. Okay. Pronounce this. Now wait. This which has been done with the class, we take the actual side. Like friends is written here and the board is hanging,
Yes, ma'am.
the hardboard. We have those chart hangers at the
Yes,
back. The board is already hanging. In class, maybe you, in actual situation, you don't have chart hangers, but then you will be hanging the whiteboard somewhere. Okay? And then you're going to pin it up on the board. On that hardboard. I was telling you about the hardboard.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to pin this and it remains there till round reading is over. Okay? So suppose it is, we never put it on the blackboard or something. Okay? So it remains here. This word has been done. Then just come here, Soumya. Just hold this. Just for 2 minutes. Okay, and then now I'm doing which word? Calmly.
Calmly.
Okay. And we are going to put the actual word. Yesterday you were asking me, no? That spelling, what will happen? They will learn the wrong spelling.
Yes.
But when we put it up, we don't put the hyphenated one. We put the actual
Actual
spelling.
spelling.
F-E-N-C-E, which the students keep seeing. That was just to help them for a short time, so that they understand that how to pronounce it. Okay, read this.
Calmly.
Okay, it's one by one. Okay, you tell me. Calmly. Very good. This is how we pronounce it. Calmly. Now you break it.
K-A-M-L. Calmly. L-E-E. Calmly.
Okay, so this side will be calmly. Calmly.
Calmly.
Okay, and but we will be under this word we have.
Calmly.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you want some help from somebody. You know why? So that you know how to do it in class. You have to remember each and every step. Okay. Now this is inspected. Got my point? All right. Read this. Raise your hands. Read this. Yes. You tell me. Inspected. Inspected. Very good. You tell me. Next to Madhavi. And see how high I am holding so that everybody can see. Generally not teach. When you go and you do like this, पीछे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Read this. Yes, Divya. Inspected. This is how we pronounce inspected. Got it? And then maybe we do group drill. Like okay, all of you pronounce inspected. Got it? How will we? Now this is also going to go here. Understood? Huh? And how will we break up? Inspected. Understood? This is not, we are not doing it on the board. It's with the flashcards which are going to be pinned up on the hardboard or anything, and they will remain there even during loud reading. Now you understand what I mean by loud reading? Just 2 minutes. Okay. You get up? Read the lesson.
Saturday morning,
Read the name of the lesson.
Tom whitewashes a fence. Saturday morning was the best time of the week for Tom. There was no school and he was free to do as he liked. But on this Saturday morning, Aunt Polly had ordered him to whitewash the fence as a punishment. At first, Tom was very sad, thinking of all the fun he was missing.
Okay, sit down. Now you understand like this one by one. Sometimes that girl, sometimes this student, sometimes this student. Again, nothing in line order and all. Okay? So this passage will be covered, okay? And then we will remove because they are support system while you are reading. You know, the words are there, you've just done the drill. So they are a support system for the students. Once the loud reading is over, now remove that. Remove it. Okay. Fine. You know, actually written matter should all be with white chalk. What this? Huh? Okay. Tell me the meaning of fence.
Bounds to protect the house.
Now, wait. No. I will ask, and before you are able to answer, okay, I will. Okay, now just look at the blackboard.
Same height. यार तुम्हारा बाउंड्री है क्या ड्राइंग है मैम की
All right, and we have the pointer with us. This is a fence. This is a teacher saying because you don't know the meaning. Okay? One second. See this? See this? This is a fence. You all don't have this abhi meaning only. This is not real. Getting my point. This is a fence. Can you all see? Yes. See what I've drawn here? This is a fence. There's a fence around this garden so that cows and goats
don't
come. You see that 3 devices are used.
Ma'am, pictorial and verbal.
Okay. Now tell me, what does a fence mean? Come on, think. What is a fence?
Protects the animals and house. It doesn't protect the animals.
Okay, now you have to raise your hand. Yes, Sunanda?
Everyone.
Boundary? Wall. Now your school has got a boundary wall, but we don't say that is a fence. What is a fence? See this?
It's a wooden boundary.
It's different from
It is made of wood.
Yes. Okay. Tell me, what is a fence? Yes.
A wooden boundary.
Protect.
A wooden boundary.
Okay.
That protects.
Not barrier. It is a boundary. Okay. It is a kind of wooden railing around a house or garden. Yes? A wooden railing around a house or a garden.
ये तो हमको याद रखना पड़ेगा हम लोग पूरा अपना लेसन प्लान से छाप के पढ़ाना है
Alright? Now, what is the meaning of calmly?
It's an abstract word for it. Calmly.
Now, listen to me.
Ma'am,
The students were making a noise in class, but as soon as they heard the teacher coming, they sat down calmly. They sat down calmly to work. What do we mean by calmly?
Quietly.
Silently.
Okay, quietly or silently. Silently or quietly. Very good. In which actually I'm going to involve 3-4 students for every word. Okay. So yes, very good. Calmly means quietly. Okay. What do we mean by inspected?
ले तुम ये बताओ मुझे.
Okay, now I'm going to inspect your nails. I'm going to inspect your shoes. Come on, show me. I'm inspecting your nails. Okay? Show me your nails. I am inspecting your nails. I am inspecting your shoes. Okay. Now tell me, what does inspected mean? What did I do? I was inspecting. Yes.
I'm checking.
Yes, Maria. To check. All right. Yes, you tell me.
Searching.
I am inspecting your shoes, whether you are
Wearing
polished
polished
them
or
or not.
not. Wearing them or not?
Very
Sorry, you
good.
are wearing a
Yes.
clean one or not?
Observe. Yes. Yes, you tell me. What is the meaning of inspected? To check or to observe. Very good. So inspected means observe keenly. Okay. Observe keenly.
God bless. After 7th class right now.
Yes. Huh? Never. That's why I'm taking so much time with prose and then the demo. Never do we explain in prose nor in poetry.
Explain what? What is she saying? What explains?
That's okay. Now, what do we mean by barrel?
Barrel.
Okay. Now listen to me. Have you read the story or seen on TV Ali Baba and the 40 thieves? Yes. The thieves hid in a barrel. The thieves hid in the barrel. Okay? This is a barrel.
She's gonna make a barrel. This is so pretty. It's a pot. It's not a barrel. No, pictorial is showing it in a small picture. Yeah. No, this is blackboard.
Okay? Remember the thieves hid in the barrel.
This is pictorial.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a
Barrel.
barrel. This is a
ये बनाया है लड़कियों ने.
alright.
Don't worry.
This is all already put on hard boards.
Yes. And this all charts we have to make, no?
Like
है ना?
I'm explaining barrel. This is already, but we never show it right in the beginning. Everything is hidden. Okay, covered with newspaper or something. But I'm telling you, there you're not going to open it. तो एक के बाद एक आपका पहले से
Set होगा.
set होता है पूरा prepared. That's why in the morning you're asking it, then hard boards. So generally we already pin it up and everything. Okay. So वो पूरा जहाँ पे वो hanger के ऊपर
कितने डाल देंगे हम लोग? सब.
and then we say okay, this is the
पीछे तक तो चले
barrel.
जाएंगे शायद. नहीं.
Now tell me what does a barrel mean? Yes, my mom. Yes? Okay. You're somewhere near it, but drum is different. Isn't it? Yes? Okay, okay. Drum is a little different. The shape of the drum is different. Yes? Okay, say Prachi.
It is a big wooden container.
Okay.
Not English, the shape of a drum.
Yes. Wooden. Okay, large wooden container. Very good.
Wooden vessel. A wooden vessel. No.
You are near it, but container is more appropriate. Okay. Pot is flower pot. See, it's outside is different. Barrel is different. Yes. See the picture. Will somebody just stand with it? Two of you. Okay. You have a long pen or something. Okay. See this? It's not like a pot. Yes? This is a round. I mean, it is a large wooden container. Okay? And bulging in the middle. Yes? And it has got flat ends. Or we can also say a large round container with flat ends, or large oval container with flat ends. It depends what kind of barrel. Yes, say after. Are you following that point? Okay, then I say very good. Yes, this is what a barrel means. A large wooden container. A large wooden container, round or oval with flat ends. Remember Ali Baba's thieves hid in the barrel?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Now you can
अलीबाबा पहले स्टोरी अरे कब देखी होगी पोगो में आती है
Yes.
सुनो चला जाएगा उसको हम लोग को तो चैप्टर पूरा करवाना है
नहीं, छोटा सा पोर्शन पूरा कराना है
ना बस एक दिन का
हाँ
फिर दूसरे दिन कंटिन्यू अगर वो चैप्टर
चैप्टर कंटिन्यू.
Understood? Yes. Okay, now open your exercise books and copy the word meaning from the board. Okay.
भी करना होता है.
कर लिया
Open your exercise books and copy the word meaning from the board.
मेरा पहले
And
हो
you have
गया
to
था.
take round for posture and everything. Got it?
I'm done.
अभी सिर्फ 28 मिनट्स हुए हैं.
अभी फिनिश नहीं हुआ
28 मिनट्स हुए हैं.
तो वीडियो बना रही है ना 28 मिनट से Yes, ma'am.
Now listen to me, all of you. Either after model reading or after loud reading. You know, it's flexible. It depends when you want to show. This is also on a hardboard. Okay. Just hold it.
अच्छा टॉम सॉयर.
Congratulations.
It's easy.
They are not English.
You also say it's easy.
Sukriti, come. English girls sit. You know, after we've done model reading or after you've done loud reading, because they've read the text, you know, they are acquainted with the passage, then we say, okay, now see, this is one of the scenes from the passage. Okay? See, this is one of the scenes from the passage. What you read just now, see, this is what the story revolves around. Okay? This was after model or loud reading. Okay? Have you copied the meaning from the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Now quickly read the passage silently. Now word meanings will remain on the board till you
Finish the silent reading.
silent reading, because while reading if you need support,
You can
You
get
can
it.
look up. Got that? You follow your lesson plan?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Okay. All of you read the passage silently?
Yes, ma'am.
Close the books.
बंद करो.
Got that? Okay. Close the books.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Now say me,
substitution
what
table.
punishment did Tom get? Raise your hands. What punishment did Tom get?
Kamilata.
Yes, you tell me.
Tom was asked to whitewash the fence.
Very good.
अच्छा,
Yes.
And Tom was asked to whitewash the fence.
Okay. Yes, Habiba.
Aunt Polly was suggested to whitewash the fence.
Yes. Tom was given a punishment by
I'm Polly to whitewash the fence
on
on Sunday.
yes. You remember?
On Saturday morning.
Saturday morning.
Saturday morning. Because there is Saturday also. Okay. Okay. Who always made fun of Tom?
Billy some.
Who always made fun of Tom? Yes. Soumya. Who always made fun of Tom?
Ben Rogers,
Speak in full sentence.
and Ben Rogers made fun of
Always make fun of Tom. Yes. Akanksha.
Full sentence.
Ben Rogers. Say it. Very good. Yes, you're very near it.
Ben Rogers made fun of.
Always make fun. Yes. Yes. Say.
Ben Rogers always made fun of Tom.
Yes. Very good. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How did Tom make Ben feel? How did Tom make Ben interested in whitewashing? How did Tom make Ben interested in whitewashing?
And he told Ben that it is sometimes.
Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes, Gifty. Tell me.
Tom made Ben feel interested in whitewashing when by making him acting as if it was the best job in the whole world.
Very good. Yes.
Tom said when you don't get a chance to whitewash every day.
Very good. Yes. Very good. Why did Tom not let Ben whitewash in the beginning?
To pick you his
In the beginning,
interest.
you remember? He said no.
Ma'am, to pick his interest.
Yeah.
His interest.
Very good. So say, complete this answer.
पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर साथ में बोलो.
Ben, Tom.
नहीं. Tom made it. Tom.
Yes, let it try. Very good.
Tom took the interest of Ben before he was whitewashing the fence to create an interest in him.
Okay.
It's a very good job in the world.
And what did he say in the beginning? What did he say?
That he won't let him whitewash.
Okay. He wanted to get him interested, and he said that Aunt Polly would not
Like
it. What did Tom do while Ben whitewashed the fence? What did he do? Come on. Yes,
He was
sister.
eating the apple.
Yes, sister.
He sat
Yes,
near
very good,
the
sister.
and he was eating the apple na under the tree. Acha barrel.
He sat on the barrel. Very good. And something more?
Eating an apple.
He ate an apple. Okay, say Akanksha.
And he was trying to be more boys.
He ate an apple.
Yes. Very good. Yes. So frame it completely.
That shows.
He sat
He sat on
under the shade of a tree, and
He was eating an apple. He was eating an apple.
eating the apple given to him by
Ben
Rogers.
remember? Okay.
That's another question.
Oh, yes, very good. You can in English you can do that, huh? How did Tom feel while Ben was whitewashing?
Very happy.
How did he feel?
He was so happy to get an opportunity.
Yes? Tom felt
Very happy and relaxed.
Tom felt very happy in his
Heart.
but did not show it on
In
his
his face.
Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then your another question is, what did Tom do to fool more boys? No, sorry. What had Tom collected by the end of the day?
Ma'am, बहुत सारे.
Wait, no, I just want this I'll keep for later on. What did Tom do to fool more boys? Tell me.
Ma'am, he used the same technique like was used by
Okay. The same
way he tricked Ben Roger.
Every boy to get a next chance.
chance
Whitewash the
in exchange of
नहीं
something
देख रहे हैं.
to whitewash the fence. Got that? Okay. Now come. Where are you all? How many of you are here? 6. Come. Okay. 5.
You know
There was a bigger chart of this. I don't know what these girls are trying to do.
Doctor.
Okay, hold this quickly.
Go. अब इसे यहाँ से कहाँ होल्ड करे?
non-English. Yeah, vegetarians please come this side.
Better, I'm finishing and coming. I'm just coming, okay? Then they will clear the book. Just 2 minutes. Okay, with the higher. One of you, not all of you. Say. Very good. You tell me. This you have to do with every day.
Okay.
Okay? You know, I encourage you, I keep the pointer, okay, read. And wherever I keep the pointer, you have to read, keep on reading. Got that? Okay, come.
Ma'am, we can write this with hand or we have to paste like this only?
What? Actually, you write with hand. In fact, I had the hand one, but nice bold capital.
Yes, it should not be the joining one that everybody understands. Don't worry.
Okay, now see this picture. Yes? See this picture.
अबे पूरा
Okay. Why is it sitting here?
wish you would use more hand.
Okay.
See the gift to the dead rat he got. I know.
See, what is happening in his hand?
Guys,
What is this long line for?
ma'am, there's a chance to paint the fence. Ma'am, the boys. Yes, ma'am.
Why are they in this queue?
Because he wants a chance to paint the fence.
Who is this? What do you see in his hand?
Guys.
What will you do with the kite?
Ma'am, he will give it to Tom. He's flying the kite. He will give it to Tom.
Please raise your hand. In exchange for some will Tom have?
Ma'am, he'll
Kites, a balloon, and then rat. Two frogs. Two shiny frogs.
And after your silent reading, when you finish, the blackboard is rubbed before comprehension question. Okay?
Ma'am, should I collect it?
Collect it back. Before your comprehension question, blackboard is rubbed. Okay? This was recap. Can you connect?
Yes, ma'am.
And after this, I write on the blackboard home assignment and make sentences with the following words: calmly and balance, and then a question.
Ma'am, so no explaining is done.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, एक चीज़ बता रही हूँ, तीन chapter explain